Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to find face shape app. Now, face shape app. You can find face shape apps on both iOS, that is Apple, and Android devices. Here is how to find them. Number one, if you're using your device, let's say you're using your device, your phone, then you can use the device app store. For example, for iOS, that is iPhones and iPad, open the app store and search for keywords like face shape detector, hairstyle advisor, or beauty advisor, and you'll be able to see a lot of them and you choose the one you prefer. Then if you're using an Android phone, you simply open Google Play Store and use similar keywords in your search, that is face shape detector, hairstyle advisor, or beauty advisor. Then the next one, next you can do, you can explore popular app stores. Like, you can look for top charts or trending sections. These sections often highlight popular and highly rated apps. Then don't forget to read the app description. Carefully read it to ensure that they actually accurately reflect the app's functionality. Number 3. The first way to find it is by using the device app store, second one by exploring popular app stores, and the third one by checking app reviews. Always check app reviews. Read user reviews. Pay attention to both positive and negative reviews to get a better understanding of the app's accuracy, ease of use, and any potential issues. Then look for apps with high ratings and a large number of positive reviews. Now, here are some popular app stores where you can find face shape apps. iOS App Store, Android for Android phone is Google Play Store. Remember to read app permissions carefully. Only download apps from trusted developers and grant them the necessary permissions. Be very mindful of privacy. Some apps may request access to your camera and other sensitive data, so be very careful and mindful. By following these tips, you can easily find a face shape app that suits your needs and helps you discover the best hairstyles and makeup looks for your unique features. Hope you found the video helpful on how to find face shape apps on your phone. Yes, on your phone. So that's it for today, guys. Till next time. Bye for now.